Right, I'm in Johann Risik Street in Waterkloof Heights, and that's it's a nice drive. I won't say it's an outing, but it's a nice nature drive. So doesn't cost a cent to go in, but they have put security up where I've got to sign in just to have some control, because people have been robbed here before. So just get through this. Right, and then there's the nature reserve in front of us with some animals and things. Hi sir.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good and
No complaints. 7 and my signature. Thank you very much.
thank you.
Sure, enjoy. Now there's a couple of lookout points that you can stop and have a look at. There we go. Now the boom's open. I can go through. There we go. Okay. We're very fortunate. The animals are right here next to the road. And what do we have there? That is I don't know what. We'll have to. I'll put the name in the description because I don't know what that is. And then there we have a couple of zebra. That's right by the road. Approach them very slowly because just now they run in front of the car. Right, so audio is still running, and I'm just going to make a right turn over here and quickly go and have a look what's happening here at the top. See. Right, this is what they call Johann Risik Drive, also known as Lover's Lane in my younger days, and I thought I'll just quickly come and show this to you. Pretty nice. Its entrance is free. You've got to just sign the book at the security and then you're in. It does get a bit dangerous at night here, so I won't suggest you come here at night, although the view at night is beautiful. But yeah, let's carry on. Right, so we've come to the end of our Johann Risik drive through the nature reserve, and looks like the zebras really likes the gate. Okay, so thank you very much. All right.
There is no shops around.
This way?
Yes.
No, not at all. Why?
I'm new here and I'm hungry.
Oh, okay.
I think there is a shops here.
Nothing, no, that side, maybe that side, but it's also very far.
Too far.
It's far, yeah, this is in the middle of nowhere.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
I know.
Okay, sure. Shame the poor oak is hungry and a little bit of bad planning on his side. Because there's no shops close to this, unfortunately. Right, let me just pull off over here because I've got to remove the camera from the rooftop, because otherwise they might just grab it or break it off and steal it off. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It makes a difference. Goodbye.